Why smart investors think long term. In a world where everyone wants quick profits, the smartest investors are doing the opposite. They are thinking long term, 5, 10, even 20 years ahead. And here's the truth. Every legendary investor, from Warren Buffett to Bitcoin believers, built wealth not through timing the market, but through time in the market. Hi, I'm Dr. Kushan. I've spent over 3 decades helping professionals and organizations grow, and I've achieved financial independence through consistent long-term investing. Today, we'll explore why smart investors think long-term and how you can use this mindset to build real wealth and a peace of mind. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this content should not be taken as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Why patience is so hard? Let's be honest. Patience is hard. We live in a world where food arrives in minutes, news travels in seconds, and social media gives instant feedback. But the market doesn't operate on our schedule. It rewards those who can delay gratification. Most people overestimate what they can achieve in 1 year, but underestimate what they can achieve in 10. True wealth creation takes time, just like planting a tree and waiting to bear fruit. The problem with short-term thinking. Short-term investing is often driven by emotion. Greed when prices rise, fear when prices fall. People jump from one hot stock or crypto trend to another, chasing what's already gone up. The truth is, reacting to short-term noise is one of the biggest reasons investors lose money. Patience is not passive, it's powerful. The psychology behind long-term thinking. Long-term investors train their minds to focus on process, not price. They understand that markets reward discipline, not emotion. Compounding only works with time, whether it's stocks, real estate, or Bitcoin. Consistency beats intensity. One great decision held for years often outperforms 100 impulsive trades. Let me give you an additional reflection. Think about it this way. If you invest 1,000 every month for 20 years at a modest 8% return, you'd end up with nearly 600,000. But if you stopped halfway through, you'd only have a fraction of that. Time, not timing, does the heavy work. Real world examples: stocks, property, and Bitcoin. Some who bought quality stocks 15 years ago and held on has seen dividends, splits, and growth. Long-term property owners benefited from both rental income and appreciation. And Bitcoin, despite volatility, it has rewarded those who held through the 4-year cycle. The pattern is clear. Time rewards conviction. Patience transforms volatility into opportunity. I've personally seen this play out. People who panicked and sold in downturns often miss the biggest rebounds that came right after. The market punishes impatience but rewards those who stay the course. The power of the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. Bitcoin's 4-year halving cycle is one of the best demonstrations of long-term reward. Every 4 years, new supply is cut in half, and historically this has led to major bull run. But only those who held on through the fear, the headlines, and dips reap the reward. The long-term view protects you from emotional decision. This principle applies beyond Bitcoin. In every asset class, patience turns uncertainty into opportunity. Cycles come and go, but time in the market smooths them out. How to develop a long-term investor mindset? Here are 5 ways to think long term. Focus on fundamentals, not hype. Understand your investment cycles. Avoid reacting to daily news. Automate and invest consistently. Have a minimum of 4-year horizon for any major investment. Also, find people who share your mindset. Surround yourself with long-term thinkers, not those who panic every time market dips. Patience contagious when you're around the right crowd. Long-term thinking equals peace of mind. Long-term investment isn't about wealth, it's about freedom. When you stop checking prices every day and start focusing on goals, life becomes calmer. Financial freedom isn't having more, it's needing less stress. Long-term investors sleep better because they've aligned money with meaning. Remember, the market will test you, but those who stay steady win. In investing, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. So, if this video inspired you to look beyond the noise and think long term, give it a like, share it with someone who's always chasing quick wins, and subscribe this channel for more insights on wealth and personal growth. Remember, patience builds freedom and discipline builds wealth. I'm Dr. Kushan. See you in the next video. Thank you.